Everyone can get their homes organized with easy-to-do projects, such as a customized chalkboard to-do list, personalized storage bins, and a monogrammed peg rack. For the shaker peg rack, 5 pegs, 5 numbers. I have it already programmed into my Martha Stewart Cricut Explorer Air 2. And now we're going to print. And this little board is drilled with a spade bit. There. Very good. All the holes are drilled. Now you'll need some very good wood glue and completely coat the end of the peg and insert it right into the hole. So each peg, you don't want to see the glue, so you will want to clean that up. Now to release the numbers from our machine. And here they are. So now remove the negative. And there we have our numbers. Peel them off. Space it correctly. A little added organization in your home. Another great project is a family to-do list, which is a must for an organized home. I'm using a piece of galvanized tin, available at Michael's, of course, and just using our masking tape, mask the edges to create a border. And we're using this very special paint, which I love, Martha Stewart chalkboard paint. Just use a nylon brush and paint the surface once, let it dry, and then do a second coat. Now this one is already dried. Peel off the stencil tape. Doesn't that look neat and nice? And we have, of course, another stencil. Just peel off the protective coating, and this can go on the board. And because it's a blackboard, I'm going to do the letters and the lines in white. I'll finish that in a little bit because we have one that's already dry, so let's just pull off the stencil. And here we have a really cute to-do list. Storage bins customized with your family's names will ensure that everything is put in its right place. My little friend's name is Austin, and he needs to be organized. You can mask this off with our stencil tape if you so choose. I think I'll be neat enough not to go over the edges. Stencil each letter very carefully, and I have a cardboard underneath to protect my work surface. Just proceed to get every single letter done. And I'm using Fish Tank, this beautiful blue color, for my letters. We have one that's already done, and I can just pull this off. Austin. And he will have several really nice baskets into which he can put various items. These baskets are washable if you need to. And I think Austin will really like having these on a shelf in his room. Remember, organization is the key to an efficient home.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.